Okay, good morning. This is what we got going on. This is what I believe you need. So it's hooked up right here, right there, and down here. And that goes to the main harness, to the grounding block on the engine, and then out to this side, both your fuel injectors. Then it goes to this resistor, it looks like. Then this piece here. And then I'm not sure if you need this coil or any of that, because that actually goes into the body right there. I'm not sure if you need that or not. But anyways, that harness continues right here. There's a big long wire right there. Another one that goes air intake. One goes to this connector, back to your fuel, and then back into engine computer. I'm not sure if you need the engine computer, but that's there too. So that's what I got.